Summer Olympic events.
Summer Olympic event.
Places where Summer Olympics have been held.
Places where Summer Olympics have been held.
Montreal, Canada.
Montreal, Canada.
1976.
1976.
Moscow, Russia.
Moscow, Russia.
1980.
1980.
Los Angeles, California.
Los Angeles, California.
1984.
1984.
Seoul, South Korea.
Seoul, South Korea.
1988.
1988.
Barcelona, Spain.
Barcelona, Spain.
1992.
1992.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Atlanta, Georgia.
1996.
1996.
Sydney, Australia.
Australia.
2000.
2000.
Athens, Greece.
Greece.
2004.
2004.
Beijing, China.
China.
2008.
2008.
London, England. 2012.
2012.
Rio de Janeiro,
Rio de Janeiro.
Brazil.
Brazil.
2016.
2016.
Tokyo, Japan.
Tokyo, Japan.
2021.
2021.
Due to the COVID-19 pandemic,
Due to the COVID-19 pandemic,
the 2020 Tokyo Olympics took place in 2021.
the 2020 Tokyo Olympics took place in 2021.
The Summer Olympic Games.
The Summer Olympic Games.
The Summer Olympics are held every 4 years.
The Summer Olympics are held every 4 years.
They are held in different cities around the world.
They are held in different cities around the world.
Athletes at the Games compete to win medals for their countries.
Athletes at the Games compete to win medals for their countries.
They participate in hundreds of events.
They participate in hundreds of events.
Let's look at some events.
Let's look at some events.
Water sports.
Water sports.
One water sport is swimming.
One water sport is swimming.
Some swimming races are short, and swimmers swim only 2 lengths of the pool.
Some swimming races are short, and swimmers swim only 2 lengths of the pool.
Other races are longer.
Other races are longer.
Some swimming races use only one kind of stroke.
Some swimming races use only one kind of stroke.
In one race, swimmers can choose the type of stroke
Swimmers can choose the type of stroke
they want to use.
they want to use.
Diving is another water sport.
Diving is another water sport.
In diving events, divers jump from high above the water.
In diving events, divers jumped from high above the water.
They twist, flip, and turn
They twist, flip, and turn
while in the air.
well in the air.
They get points
They get
for how
points
well they dive.
for how well they dive.
Track and field.
Track and field.
Track and field events include running, throwing,
Track and field events include running, throwing,
and jumping
and
competitions.
jumping competitions.
The marathon is the longest running event.
The marathon is the longest running event.
The shortest races are called dashes.
The shortest races are called dashes.
In throwing events, athletes throw objects as far as they can.
In throwing events, athletes throw objects as far as they can.
People competing in these events must be very strong.
People competing in these events must be very strong.
In jumping events, athletes jump high or far.
In jumping events, athletes jump high or far.
In the high jump, athletes leap over a bar.
In the high jumps, athletes leap over a bar.
The bar is raised higher and higher
The bar is raised higher
until
and
only
higher
one person can jump it.
until only one person can jump it.
In the long jump, athletes leap as far as they can.
In the long jump, athletes leap as far as they can.
Gymnastics.
Gymnastics.
Gymnasts leap, flip, and twirl through the air.
Gymnastics. Leap, flip, and twirl through the air.
They need strength, skill, and
They need strength, skill, and
perfect timing.
perfect timing.
One event is the balance beam.
One of it is a balance beam.
Gymnasts must balance on the beam
Gymnasts must balance on the beam
while they turn and flip.
while they turn and flip.
Another event is the rings.
Another event is the rings.
Gymnasts hold on to the rings and flip their bodies in circles.
Gymnasts hold onto the rings and flip their bodies in circles.
Another event is the rings. Gymnasts hold on to the rings and flip their bodies in circles. Event categories.
Event categories.
The Summer Olympics include many sports with
The Summer Olympics include many sports.
hundreds of events.
With hundreds of
Which events do you like?
Which event do you like?